We traded 30,000 SPX 0 DTE trades using AI and robots. Let's show you what worked. My wife and I trade together every single day. She's a former banker and successful house flipping investor. I started and sold 2 internet companies. I retired at age 42. I'm an attorney. Most importantly, I'm a professional gambler. Our motto on our channel is math makes money. Let me explain how. Over the last year, we had AI backtest 20 million trades a week. Our AI robots executed 30,000 SPX 0 DTE trades. Let me show you how we learned that math makes money. Welcome to part 2. This is a fun one because we're going to show you our backtesting methodology. The trading day is divided into 391-minute increments. Each of the strategies we look at has both a put credit spread or call credit spread possible. So that's 780 trades a day. And then we look at 200 stop loss and premium combinations. For each possible trade, we look back 6 months. There's 250 trading days in a year, so that's 125 trading days. So that gives you about 97,500 trades for each individual backtest. We run a new back test for each strategy, time, premium, and stop combo loss every single week. So every week we're going to back test all of these trades. Each one's got we've got 2 strategies, each with 2 trades per strategy, 390 entry points, 125 trading days, 10 premium targets like 75 cents, $1, $1.25, $1.50, $2, $2.50, $3.50, etc. Then we're going to look at 10 stop loss requirements, and probably it's going to be like 80%, 100%, 95%, 125, 150, 185, 200, 300, 700, etc. So 2 times 2 times 390 times 125 times 10 is about 19.5 million trades. And then you're going to add in our open range breakouts, our double calendars, our reverse iron condors, our wheel strategies, our naked puts, and you get over 20 million. That's a lot of trades. Now, all the information we're providing is free. If you find anything of value here, we'd sure appreciate it if you'd hit the subscribe button below. Okay, last slide, we're going to say bye-bye. If any of this free information has been of any value to you, we'd really appreciate it if you could go on to our YouTube channel, Rob and Maria Trading. And if you could subscribe and hit like to any of the videos you've seen, we'd really appreciate it. On that channel, we do tell you a great detail how we trade SPX. We go a lot of stock trades. My wife, Maria, she does a lot of trades in both options and stocks, earnings trades especially. And she's very, very successful doing that, more successful than me, actually. And then Tyler, my son, he's 30 years old. He started his fund 3 or 4 months ago. He's up 10% every single month. He does primarily the wheel strategy, and he does a lot of day trading scalps on the NQs, and he can show you how he does that. At any rate, we have a lot of fun on our channel, but it is very serious. Everything we do is based on math. Remember, trade with your heart, trade with your head, not with your heart. Trade small, trade often, and math makes money. You have a great trading day.